Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with Baby Me. So today guys, I have a interview. She's my new friend. So see you there guys. Today guys, I have a new friend. What is your name?
My name is Trexie.
By the way, how old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Oh, okay. For your 23 years old, what are you doing now?
Just basically just home and school.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And then, how's your school?
My school is fine. I'm actually a scholar student because yeah, I need to do well in my academics, so this they can support me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So when you're graduating?
I'll be graduating next year.
Wow, congrats.
Thank you.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited to graduate and find work and do the adult life.
Mm-hmm. So by the way, how many do you have the siblings?
I have one sibling with me. I have a brother, older brother with me.
Ah, okay. So you mean you're just only one
Yeah,
girl?
one girl and one boy.
Oh, good. So
Yeah.
you mean your parent is very strict with you?
Yeah, when it comes to looking for a boyfriend, they really want to meet them.
First?
Yeah, first so they can know the man.
Ah, okay. So you mean you're single?
Right now, yes, I'm single.
Like how many years for single?
I've been single for 1 year.
1 year?
Yes.
Wow, it's so long because you're focused the study.
Yeah, I need to focus on my study because yeah, it's really important to do the studies first and then
Yeah, that's correct.
back to my family.
Wow, it's so hard.
Thanks.
So for your student for your college, it's so hard.
I would say that there is no easy course. There's not an easy course to get when you're in college. Everything is hard. And all you need to do is to study harder and to work harder in order for your dreams to come true and to achieve them.
Mhm. So like what time for your beginning the class for the school?
I go to school at 1 p.m. and then I go home at 7 p.m.
So like how many hours?
7 hours straight.
Good. And then if you go to the school, you're riding the scooter or your commute?
It depends because we only have one scooter and that's my
Ah,
brother's scooter. And
okay.
if my brother is working,
Mm-hmm.
so he needs to use the scooter, but he works on a BPO company and the time difference between another country and my country and the Philippines is like opposite. So he comes home on the morning in the
Mm-hmm.
morning so I can have the scooter in the morning. I
Ah,
can use
good.
it in the morning
Share,
and he will
share.
use it at night. Yeah, it's sharing.
It's good. So you mean you have a license?
I have a student license. I
Ah,
don't have professional license because I'm still getting my
oh,
professional license.
it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know how to drive. You no need for your commute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes I do commute. I sometimes use it because sometimes my brother is working overtime
Ah,
and
okay.
he tells me that he cannot go home early and
Mhm.
I need to ride a tricycle or a jeepney. Yeah.
Okay. So like how much your pocket money a day for going to the school?
I have 100 pesos a day.
Okay.
100, yeah.
So like how much a month? 2,000? No, 3,000.
Yeah, 3,000. No, but there are weekends. So
Ah, okay.
weekends is excluded. It's excluded. So
Okay.
only weekdays how maybe 20 2,000.
2,000.
Yep.
But it's good. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
worth it.
it's okay.
Yeah.
And also, I'm a scholar student. I'm a scholar student
Wow.
of the government, so they are supporting me as long as I'm doing well in my academics. They give
Okay.
me my allowance,
Ah,
and that's a
okay.
big help to me and to my family, and I'm so grateful for that.
Okay. How to get that for scholarship?
Um, first,
Mm-hmm.
the first thing you need to have is a good. You need to be good in academics. You need to have a high grades.
Ah,
Yeah, in
okay.
order to join, in order to become part of the scholar students of the
Mm,
government, you need to maintain your grades and you need to participate in the
mm-hmm.
activities they do. Yeah, to help
Okay.
them.
So, what the number your grade?
Um, I always do good in academics.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the lowest for me is I got 85. Yeah, that's the lowest.
Okay. And the highest?
The highest is perfect one. It's 99 100.
Wow, 99?
Yeah.
Wow,
Thank
congrats.
you.
It's very high, my
Yeah, thank
God.
you. Thank
I think your parents very proud about
you. Yeah,
that.
they've always been proud of me. They always tell me
Mm,
that.
yes. And then like how many years the scholarship?
I've been scholar for when I was after grade school, when I'm on my first year in high school,
Mm.
I'm already a scholar student of the government.
Oh,
Yeah.
because you're very high that grade.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and I maintained until now. I'm fourth year and I'm studying finance, business
Okay.
finance,
Mm-hmm.
and this we study about financial things,
Mm-hmm.
banking. That's what I do.
Oh. So what? Why you do you like that course? What you like? Nursing or another
Oh,
course?
nursing.
Yes.
Being a doctor is my dream. Being a doctor,
Oh,
yeah, that's my
I see.
top dream. I want to be a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
But here in the Philippines, it's really hard to, study medicine since
Mm-hmm.
it costs a lot. For you to be able to study medicine, you need to be
Mm-hmm.
um financially stable. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
you can pay the tuition and all of
Okay.
that if you're not a scholar student. And also one thing is that I pass out when I see blood, so I cannot handle
Ah,
blood.
I see.
I'm not that strong.
I see.
Yeah.
But what if someday, if you're getting older, you're getting confident,
Uh-huh.
yeah, and then you have already work, and then you have a saving, and then you back to the uh school for the doctor. Yeah.
Oh, about that, I don't think so. I already love my course now. Maybe I'll
Ah,
pursue
okay.
masters in my course,
Okay.
financial management.
Okay. So what is your very important, love or money?
Love or money?
Yes.
Love or money? Of course, the most important thing is love. But as
Okay.
long as you love each other, money
Mm-hmm.
money can be seen.
Mm-hmm.
You can get money if you just work together because you love this person and you
Mm-hmm.
plan about getting money. Then money can be you can get money if you just plan it together and love each other because you can understand each other.
Okay. Guys, it's just very perfect English.
Ay! Thank you.
I love it. You're good English. Yes.
Busog mga apa.
Do you think the Filipina is very, very, very jealous girl?
A jealous girl, Filipinas.
Yes. Are you agree that?
A jealous, me maybe Filipinas. Yes, I would say Filipinas are jealous. Not all. We have different personality and different attitudes, but
Mm-hmm.
I I I always see videos on that
Mm-hmm.
Filipinas being jealous about,
Yeah.
yeah, being jealous about reacting on photos their
For
boyfriends react.
example, you have a boyfriend now,
Uh-huh.
and then your boyfriend is they have the sexy lady walking in the
Oh,
front. Are you jealous that?
I cannot stop him because he has an eye. He has eyes on him all the time.
Okay.
And also he can also appreciate girls because everyone looks different. Everyone is
Yeah.
beautiful in their own way.
Mm-hmm.
And I understand him if he looks on that girl, but
Mm-hmm.
as long as he just looks on
Yeah.
them
Do not
and
touch.
yeah,
Only look.
look, just don't touch them. And I would be okay.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah,
Yep.
because eyes is always look. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but do not touch.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
don't touch them.
only look.
Yeah.
Advice to all foreigner now watching for the
Mm-hmm.
first time to come to the Philippines. Do you have advice for example to come here in the Philippines for looking at Filipinas, simple Filipina?
Oh, a single film. My advice for
Yeah.
this foreigner looking for a single Filipinas is that um, it's really important to know this person first. You know, when you are in talking stage, or maybe you met them on an app, it's very important. No, not everything you can see on social media is real. Really, not everything there is real, and not all the time you can say that it's the same, because some people there are just lying about their lives. And yeah, when we do social media, we post our best, we post what's the best in us, and we get attracted to that. And when you come here to the Philippines to meet that girl you love or you like,
Yeah.
you can see what's real, and it's good to bond with them, to go on a trip with them, because going on a trip makes that person's personality come out, so you can really know them. And then also, it's important to have a very strong boundary between you and that girl. You need to have an ideal girl, ideal, and then one red flag is a no.
Thank you. And the next question is, do you think is if the foreigner they have a live-in partner, do you
Uh-huh.
think is the foreigner need to support to the live-in partner for allowance?
It depends for me. Maybe, yeah, maybe if that partner
Okay.
is is your partner since you know her for a very long time already, and you know her background, her family background, her attitude, her personality, then maybe you can trust her in your and giving her allowance, and it's up to you if you will give it to her or not. If you're financially stable and financially blessed, then you can share your blessings. And
Okay.
yeah, but then if you just met her and she asked for money for allowance, I don't think it's very good to give it to her that fast.
Wow, you good advisor.
Thank you.
I give for two thumbs up. Okay, the last question is, do you have the another Filipina? Okay, the other Filipina, uh, she's a birthday girl. She's a birthday.
Uh-huh.
And then the boyfriend, he asked, honey, what do you like to give? Do you like scooter? Do you like
Mhm.
iPhone?
Uh-huh.
And then the answer the girlfriend, no, I want a car.
Oh,
What do you think that is good or bad?
I cannot say it's good and it's bad, but you know, if we just think about it, iPhone and a the iPhone and a scooter, the prices really matters, because she's asking for a car, and car is not, it's very fancy. It's very
Yes, you
expensive.
like the on
Yeah.
the car.
Yeah, and that foreigner only ask her if she wants iPhone or a scooter. Then this girl is really she's very blunt, and I don't think it's good to ask for a car. I
Mm-hmm.
don't think it's good to ask for a car when your partner only asks you if you want scooter or an iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's already, she's already blessed that this foreigner is asking her what she likes on her birthday, an iPhone or
Yeah,
a scooter, and she's asking for a car. So it's up to the foreigner if he wants to give it to her, the car.
yeah. I think if for me, if he asking me, I think my answer is up to you, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, up to you.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can really share if you're financially stable or financially blessed, then you can buy her a car if you want. But as long as you love that girl, if you
Mhm.
can give her even the world, then you can give it to her.
So, guys, that is the video today for
Trans.
interview to beautiful
Thank
Trichy.
you.
And see you next video, guys. And are you go to the swimming later?
Yeah, I'm going to swim.
You know how to swim?
No, I don't know how to swim, but I'm learning. I'm learning.
Because there's another pool. It's very deep. Like I think
Yeah.
9 feet.
9 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you good for swimming, guys, for the kids swimming
Uh-huh.
pool.
Yeah, yeah. I learned how to swim.
So guys, see you next video. Bye bye and thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye bye.